Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA ignition replacement door mirror switch that fits a variety of Ford vehicles, including the F-150, 250, 350, Excursion, and Expedition from about from 1997 to about 2005. So this switch is located on the driver's side door just above the window switch. And what this allows you to do is this allows you to adjust the front mirrors. So either left or right, it has a selector switch. Then it has the little joystick to actually adjust the mirrors. So typically, if you go to adjust the power mirrors on your truck and they don't move, it typically is the switch that's failed. This switch is very easy to install. You'll notice that there's two clips here. So this switch actually just pops out of the driver's side door. The factory electrical connector disconnects, and this will install in the reverse order. If you guys have any questions about the window switch, whether it's the right one for your vehicle or anything to do with installation, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.